everybody, it's Davita with WTI, and if you love mid-century modern style, I think that you would really love these solid wood nightstands. They come in a set of 2. They're absolutely stunning. I have the caramel color here, and what I love about it is the naturalness of the wood. You can see its imperfections. I think it's just absolutely beautiful. I really love the simple mid-century modern look. What I really like about it are these 4 angled leg stands. I think they are just absolutely beautiful. I like keeping it simple, but if you want, you can of course add books here, or you can add other decorations. You can add a lamp to the top, and it just goes so simple in a room. The drawer works really nice. It has a good amount of storage space in it. So overall, I think this is just a great, simple, and beautiful nightstand, and that's my point of view.